sunset from our hotel room. Ito yung view. Look. Yan, ganda oh. Look. Look ang sunset. Ganda. Yan. Ganda. Tapos ang namin mag-dinner. Hinabol namin ng sunset. Yan. Ganda. Nice. Beautiful. Bunny capturing the sunset here in Shein-on. Look. Wow, so nice. Look. Beautiful. Wow, this is the view from our room. Nice. Ganda. Oh, look at. This is our room. Our bed is already set up. Bali itong bed namin, ayan. Ayan. Siniset up siya every day. Tiyaga naman nila. I'm really impressed. Ito yung aming dining. Bukas ng umaga, tatanggalin naman nila yan. Tapos, yan si Bunny, sinisilip ang sunset. Wow, so nice. Beautiful. We're having dinner. Yan ang aming dinner. Thank you so much. Nice.
Yes, tempura sauce. Yung ano yun.
Sarap. Pati yung chicken. Pati yung chicken parang fresh na fresh. Lahat, everything. Lahat ng, parang nanghinayang kang hindi kainin. Kasi lahat fresh. Lahat masarap. The best in the West. Yung parang here, parang mga ganito, parang talagang you're served as a royalty. Ang babait pa nila, kaya parang feeling mo you're so special and well attended. Tapos ganito pa yung mga food. Look naman yung food. Diyos ko, ang mahal kasi, ang mahal nito sa Hong Kong. Ayan, dinner na. Sashimi. Si Bunny sashimi with dry ice.
Yung ice ito.
Oh, yan yung dry ice yan. Yan. Tempura, soup. Tapos ako din, the same din. Yan. Tapos ako mayroon akong Chinese wine sparkling dry. Ayan, tingnan mo naman, lahat kami naka-dry ice. Grabe talagang mga Japanese, talagang sarap nito, oh. Fresh na fresh. Ano kaya mga ito? Hindi ko na maintindihan kung anong mga nakalagay. May mga ayan, appetizer. May sauce. Yan. Ito, ang sarap nito kasi fresh na fresh. May shabu-shabu. Ano kaya to? Tapos, ito, parang appetizer lang siya. Ito. Yan. Okay Yan. Buffet here in the onsen resort. Yan. Yan si Bunny. Tapos ang kumain, happy na. Ayan, dati itong parang may stage. Ayan. May stage. So, it's a big hall. Yan, yung mga pagkain, puro This is our room here in Morioka, facing the lake. Tapos doon sa kabila ng lake, puro green trees. Tapos mayroon siyang bridge connecting to the other side. This is a Japanese style room. Tapos this is here in anong pangalan ng
Hotel
Shion. Hotel Shion. Tsunagi.
In Morioka.
This is an onsen resort hotel. So, napakaganda ng lugar. O yan, kahit hindi ka na umalis dito sa hotel na to kasi ang ganda ng view. So, yun. Look at the view. Ayan, facing the view. Yan. Yan ang view early in the morning. Yan, ganda, oh. Oh, ganda.
The bridge, mountains. That's the lake. Okay, there.
Haba pa pala.
Tapos ayan yung harap ng kwarto namin. Ayan, yung mga buildings yan. Yun ang parking lot. Ito ang front ng hotel dito. Front entrance ng hotel.
Yeah.
Sige, mag-invite ka naman.
So, yan ang aming holiday. Here in Morioka. Nandito kami ngayon sa Morioka. Yan yung aming hotel. Yung white one. Ang room namin is facing the lake. So now I'm going to show you the lake. Ito yung lake. Ito yung bridge. Tapos we're here in just a few minutes walk from our hotel, which is Hotel Shion Onsen Hotel. So it's an onsen hotel na pwede kang mag-onsen maya-maya. They have 2 floors of onsen public bath. So ito yung lake facing our room. Yan. And then this is our hotel. That's our hotel. Yung white, yun na yun, white.
Building na mataas.
White na building na mataas.
With green roof.
Yan, with green roof. Yan. So yan, ganda rin dito kasi it's a kumbaga it's a holiday na it's a holiday na relaxing with nature sights at saka with nature and peaceful vibes and not stressful vibes.
Ayan si Tess. Ayun ang aming hotel sa likod. Ito yung lake. Ito yung bridge na nakita natin paggabi. Okay, nandito kami sa isang mini park dito na malapit dito sa hotel. Okay, bye.
This peaceful and very relaxing hotel. Ayan. Say bye, buddy.
Bye.
from Morioka. Ito yung lobby ng Shion Onsen Hotel here in Morioka. Yan yung lobby.